bird on a tree. I'm just sitting here. I got time. It's clear to see from up here. The world seems small.
Good morning, everybody. Well, it is really early. I don't normally jump on the camera at 5 in the morning. Scotty got up a little earlier than he normally does. He usually sleeps in a little bit, and I'm always up. I get up about 4 o'clock. Today I got up a little bit later than that. He just got up and said, hey, you want to just get on the road now? So yesterday, Aja stopped down here at our little campsite. Oh, I gotta change hands, guys. They're just like 2 miles down the road from us. And she said everybody is gonna get up early this morning and head down there. She's already back down at Bear Lake. Oh, there's Scotty.
It is cold. Oh.
What happened out there?
My little towel froze.
Yep, really cold. So anyway, she came up, she told us what the plan was. So Scotty and I packed up all of our stuff last night, so we're ready to roll. And like I said, Scotty got up early, so we are gonna just pick up what we got in the camper, which isn't much. We're pretty good about that.
Yep, we're about ready.
And then we're gonna just get on the road, get ourselves back out of this little hole here.
I think I got it laid out. Should be pretty easy.
Okay, I had an idea last night, and so I'm hoping it will work. And then we'll just get ready down at the lake. Bruce, our friend, won't be leaving till 7, so we'll just get down there, do all of our stuff, get cleaned up there, have another cup of coffee, and then hopefully we'll be on the road. So we'll see you guys that away. Okay, ready to hit the road? There, mister. We'll finish making our bed when we get there.
Yeah, looks good enough for me.
All right, we are getting in the truck. Woo! Yeah, it is a little wet out here. I got my flip-flops on. It's the first time in a very long time I've had to put pants on. Well, half pants. I'm gonna miss this place. So beautiful. Oh, there's a little bit of fog. Sorry guys, that's our jacks going up. A little bit of fog coming off of that river. That's how cold it got last night. We did not get cold though. It was nice and toasty in our house. Wow, pretty. I don't know if you guys can see the fog on the river. All right. Well, till next time.
There's like fog on the water. I thought it was the exhaust.
I know.
Fog on the...
Crazy. Sorry about the noise. We have to start our truck up and get it warmed up. They did have a little fire pit there. We never had a fire. We just used our propane. It's just easier. Safer for we feel safer doing that. All right, so this is what we came up with. We're just going to put those there. At first we thought we would put rocks in here just to get up, and then I said, hey, let's use our oh, what do they call those? Our risers to get level, our leveling blocks. Okay, so hopefully, cross your fingers that we can get out without ripping off our tailpipe. And the tailpipe that I'm talking about is for our generator, and it has a swivel on it, so it does go up and down. But we were looking at the videos, and that it's a lot higher, which is no big deal. Woo! Hurry, hurry! My toes are frozen. So we only had one vehicle try to come down here, and they stopped right there at the rocks. So those are a good deterrent. But we certainly would have shared this area. All right, I gotta help Scotty here. Looks like he's already walked in this area to make sure that's all safe to go on to. Okay, so Scotty's gonna go ahead and get down here, and then I'll line the other blocks up under the other tires. We have them at an angle because Scotty feels like if he comes at an angle, he'll do a little bit better. Okay, that way. Good, take it slow. Okay, Scotty got out, so he's gonna put them where I couldn't reach underneath the truck or under the camper. So. I can't see now. I guess
What?
I can't see. You got them right under the other tire?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Thank you. All right, just take it slow. You gotta go forward. You're in the dirt. Go forward, okay? Now we're gonna have to go over more on the other side. So, do you have any more blocks? Or take them from the front? Because when you get right here, when you got right here, you got into the dirt. Oh, we need one more. We need to lift it right there. If you go back a little bit more, I can grab, maybe I can get one more.
If I go forward, you mean, or back?
But I have flip-flops on, so. So real slow, babe, like a roll. Okay.
Okay. Are you gonna go on the other side?
No, because I don't have any shoes. I don't have boots on.
Okay.
I'm just trying to watch all of them. So don't rip our jacks off. Now that should get us out of there.
I think we'll be good now.
I think so. Okay. Real slow, babe. There you go. You got it, honey. Woo, she's cold today. You got a lot of room. Okay. Let me get the box for you. Alright, guys. That's it. We got out. Goodbye, beautiful spot. Hey, that's what we did. We just made a ladder. Oh, our hands are frozen. I ain't been this cold since we were in Washington. Oh, we'll clean those off later. Well, now we know we can use these to get us out of a area.
That was good thinking.
Now Scotty said, now you just gotta watch me go up the hill, which we should be fine.
Well, you just gotta avoid that rock.
Yeah. Bruce came down here in the little tracker. These were already all dead and broke up, but he got a little bit close, and we'll just stay real tight to that, because that's what we're trying to avoid. You can see some people have scraped on that one. They're pretty darn high clearance, but I don't want to take anything out under there. Can you see your side pretty well? All right. Just go real slow. I think he's putting it in four-wheel drive. All right. Now, we'd have no problem coming down this kind of a road here if we didn't have the camper on, but when you got a camper on, it's it's a little different. She rock and rolls. Oh my gosh, you guys, my feet are frozen. I've only been out here for half an hour. They are so cold. All right, up the road we go. Holy moly, I can't feel my toes. They are so cold. Oh, I have my flip-flops turned upside down. It's a little muddy out there, and Scotty yesterday he slept in here. Hey, you know what this is right here? See how my feet go on there? It's just one of those cushions that you sit in a chair. I don't know where I got it. Somebody was getting rid of it. Oh, Danny didn't want it anymore. This helps with sciatica. If you have sciatica and you drive a lot, or you're a passenger, you couldn't do it if you're on the other side, but you can put your feet up here, get your knees up a little bit, and then you don't have a problem with sciatica. At least I don't. Since I learned that. Okay, enough looking at my feet. Ready to roll?
Yeah. Thought I was going to roll there for a second.
I know, it looked kind of sketchy.
Yeah.
You did a great job.
The camper moved a little back.
Oh, it did?
Oh, what is it telling us? It's 31 degrees? Holy
Well,
moly.
can we lift the jacks and just push it back a little, drive back a little?
Oh, no,
on
it's tiny if anything.
Okay. Well, you did a great job.
Yeah.
All right, let's go. Goodbye, beautiful spot. Such a really beautiful forest. 33. That's why my toes were so cold. They were frozen.
The whole perspective of the mountain range now.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, that's gorgeous.
And it's 50 degrees.
Oh, well, we went up 20 degrees. Well, we just pulled into a little town called Paris, Idaho. And I wanted to stop and show you guys this temple. It's really beautiful. Well, I just asked the workers out here if we could go in, if it was open. And they said no, it's shut because of COVID. So they're just taking the time to be able to work on it. It's so beautiful. Well, designed by one of Brigham Young's sons, this imposing Romanesque tabernacle was built between 1884 and 1889 by skilled local craftsmen. This pioneer Idaho town was founded September 26, 1863, when a wagon train brought more than 30 families of Mormon colonizers. Oh, what about Moo?
Oh, are we going into the...
Yeah, we might as well go in here. Yeah, Cody's, I believe it is. Yep, we're gonna go over here to Cody's. And we can sit outside, it looks like. They say they're open. Huh. Paris Post, ain't that cute? Huh. So neat.
Something else there before.
So Jeff was just saying, you notice that door there? There's a door, but there's no way to get out of the door. There must have been an old deck there or something, patio.
Or it probably was a window.
Paris Grill. They're pretty. Pretty how they're growing up that tree. Looks like they're just setting some umbrellas up. You can see back there the old structures of barns. Oh, the pooches are all laying down. Hi there. Oh, I didn't bring any wipes. Oh, look who greets us here. Hi.
Where you going? Hey.
Oh, come
Come
on.
on. Hey, big guy.
Come on.
Girl. Hey, girl.
Is the dog allowed out?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh my gosh, that was cute.
And then we do, we walk around and we talk to other businesses and stuff, and she literally follows us like everywhere.
That's funny.
And then we have the front door open a lot, because with the garage door, she just goes walking straight through like the building like she owns the place.
She's really cute.
Resident.
Yeah, basically.
Oh, look at Moo. Moo's over there like, what is going on? What is going on? We got dogs everywhere. All right, I got the sub, but as you notice, there's no bread. I just had them stack it. Scotty got some wings. Ooh, they smell yummy. Yummy, yummy. And Gertrude, that's what we're going to name her. Gertrude wants some. Ah, baby. Ah. These are the town dogs. And they just sit over here. Oh, baby. All right, yum. All right, I'm going to just say, if you're coming through this little town of Paris, Cody's is the place to eat. If she was smaller, I'd take her. If she was smaller, I'd take her. So, all the dogs there just sat around our table. They were so sweet. And we named her Gertrude, the big one over there. But super great food, super nice people serving,
Yeah, absolutely.
and good prices. So we're gonna get on the road. Huh?
Me too.
I've always wanted to come to Paris.
I know, me too. Now we've been to Paris, Aj.
The tower you can climb over there.
Expecting the Eiffel Tower instead of the.
Yeah, you can climb up on that one.
Yeah, you can climb the.
Yeah, when it's open. The bell tower.
So pretty.
The bell tower.
I know. Hold that me.
Thank you.